It's Tuesday and I'm back out on the Willoway dock. We got some gorgeous plants on the dock today. Let's take a walk through the dock. First up here we have Amber Jubilee, a beautiful physocarpus, brings summer and fall color. Coming up next here we have our 3-gallon. These are green velvets. Gorgeous plants here, guys. Pulled one of these off to show you the 3-gallon PGM Elites. Exceptional value here, guys. Great for your landscape. Don't miss out. Next up here we have Miscanthus gracilis, and these are 2-gallon and 3-gallon plants. Great looking selection of grasses coming up for fall. Here we have some 2-gallon blue stars and 3-gallon gray owls. Again, and in the background there we have old gold junipers, so nice selection of junipers for your landscape. Check out these beautiful 5-gallon Ilex galaberdenses. That's landscape grade. Here we have some 3-gallon limelights, and they're wrapping them up, getting ready to go up to move them to put on carts, but these are loaded with buds on the tips there. Nice heavy 3-gallon limelights. Here we're looking at Hemerocalis pardon me. In the background there we have Heuchera Carmel, and here we have Silvery Sunproof on the Liriope. More fantastic Heuchera. You see the beautiful sedum is starting to bloom. Several varieties of sedum starting to show color. Got the nice tall, beautiful variegated iris there. We have Millennium Forged in Fire, which is a new one from Proven Winners. And then coming down here, we have Banana Cream 2, Leucanthemum. Lavender's always popular. Here we're looking at Phenomenal and Grosso, and nice full plants here, gorgeous. And no shortage of color. Here we have some Caryopteris coming on, several varieties of Coreopsis. We have some Rudbeckia. Here, look at these gorgeous Zagrebs. And then anemone. This is the time of the year for anemone. This one is falling most sweetly, but we have several others. Pink curtain call. I think Thad's going to show us a couple more of these, but you know, these are budded up and looking great. Several varieties of Catinus are looking good. This one is Royal Purple. We also have Winecraft Black. Several large landscape sized plants coming in here. We have our 25-gallon green giants. Great selection of 15 and 25-gallon trees. And wow, look at those great giants, every bit 84-inch. And then don't forget we have our quick turn crop, which is our stock B&B. These are some Amelanchier Autumn Brilliance, and those are ready right now. So if you need them for a landscape job, be sure to check that out. We're looking at some Viburnum Trilobum Compactum and 5s, and these gorgeous 3-gallon emerald green arborvitaes here. You can see a nice value on that, good consistent pull. Looking good. Wow, look at these beautiful 7-gallon limelight trees here. Perfect shape to them, just have some buds to them. Looking good. And again, the jet maples continually look great. Here we have some 10-gallon dissectums. I believe those are cannies. They look awesome. Well, here you can see the nice consistency on the 15-gallon emerald green arborvitaes. Look at that landscape grade. Beautiful plants here. Catching some of the carts coming in here on our mums. You can see the beautiful 8-inch mums here. Look at that, just starting to crack color, to showing some color. Be sure to get your orders in. These are looking fantastic. Carts of mums coming in here. Again, great colorations on them, good selection as far as colors. Be sure to get those orders in. These are looking great. They're going to go fast. More landscape grade plants here. We're looking at our 7-gallon blue points. Nice heavy grade. We have some 7-gallon Pixis. Again, nice big full plants, good consistent grade. Here's a plant we don't talk about much, but it's a great landscape plant. This is Yucca Color Guard. The Valley of Medusa. You know, we have some great Nepeta. Walker's Low there. Nice full heavy plants. And then we have some Rudbeckia. I believe this is Little Gold Star. Coreopsis Zagreb. That's a great landscape plant, very popular. You can see here, bud and bloom. Several varieties of the hibiscus. You can see here, I believe that's Purple Pillar, loaded with buds there. Again, the drift roses are looking sensational. Several varieties of emerald. This is Emerald Golden Gady here, the Euonymus. Nice heavy full plants, looking good. Well, you can see there's no shortage of color here. We have the Liriope, I believe that's the blue there. We have the Silver Sunproof, more of the Heuchera in the background there. Packing a little all gold. The crop is looking fantastic. Swinging over here, we have Lonicera Thunderbolt. Look at that gorgeous color. Talked about these in one of the other videos, but this is Helenium Forged in Fire. I really love the color of those blooms. Honestly, it's not staged here. We actually have monarchs in the loading dock. Look at that. You can see here a great selection of perennials. We have Provoskia, Coreopsis, Dianthus. Beautiful looking perennial. The grasses is always part of the fall planting, and it's great for your landscape here. We're looking at some 1 gallons. Here we have some Hamlins, Morning Lights, some Strictus. In the background, some larger 3 gallon on the Moscato grass. We have some 3 gallon Green Mountains. Again, nice full plants. These are tied up, getting ready to go on carts, but again, you can see the nice size and grade there. Potentilla. We have several varieties of that. This one happens to be Goldfinger. We have the ever popular Bobo hydrangea in 3 gallons there. You can see buds are still starting to form on them. Looking good. Bush is another fall color plant. You can see these nice big heavy 3s shaped up, ready to go. Again, no shortage of paniculatas. Here we have vanilla strawberry, lime lights we've seen earlier in 3s, starting to show some color. The guys trimmed them up, shaped them. They're coming back out of a trim and they're looking great. I pulled one of these off the cart here to show you the 5 gallon PJMs. Nice, heavy, full landscape grade plants loaded with buds. We have our own Buxus Cranberry Creek, beautifully shaped pyramidals here in 3 gallons. Here we're looking at Pieris Katsura, and that comes out with that gorgeous red foliage in the summer. In the background there, we're looking at junipers, big part of landscaping, you know, old golds, nice heavy full plants. And then we see a lot of these. This is the Leucothea Paisley Pup. These earlier, but there we have some 3 gallon Blue Star junipers, nice shape and color. They're also a very popular one. Here we're looking at our 3 gallon gray owls. Look at that heavy grade. Some nice big heavy full 5 gallon winter gems. Look at this great color here. We have our Physocarpus. That's summer wine on the right. We have ginger wine. Great colors of fall there. And wow, look at these. These are 3 of Fire Chief. Stunning. Several pallets of the bowling balls coming in there. You see the nice big full heavy plants and nice consistent grade as well. So here we have some 15 gallon arborvitaes, and man, these are a steal. These are 15 gallon American Color full speed ahead. Beautiful grade here, guys. Here we have some beautiful 15 gallon. These are Magnolia Jim Wilson. These are spaced out a little bit. They're getting ready to put them on carts, but again, 3 gallon Miscanthus gracilis looking really good. Wow, look at these 3 gallon emerald green arborvitaes. Here we have some of our new 3 gallon Rosea Maligans. Again, this is a fresh crop here. We're just looking at some big, heavy, full 3 gallons loaded with buds. Several carts are coming in now from the greenhouse here. Again, I just want to give you another look at these gorgeous mums. Here we have some of the larger Terrapot mums. Nice, full, big plants. These are ready to go. Put them right out on the porch, and you've got some great fall color. Here we have some 5 gallon. These are Wisteria tree form. Nice. Full heads, ready to go. Several more pallets of these Physocarpus Amber Jubilee. Look at that great color. You can see more of the Cranberry Creeks. We have Miracle on the Hudson. Beautiful plants coming up to the dock. Nice 3 gallon Randmus Fine Lines. Beautiful size and grade. That's a quick walk through the dock. Here we have some great looking perennials. The guys keep the color coming all summer long with the perennials, blooming shrubs. Fantastic landscape grade plants and trees. Be sure to get with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.